I am Eliana. What if every exam you create automatically came with a full teacher-style revision guide? With CampusOxide, every exam doesn't just generate questions, it also creates a revision guide, completely automatically in the background. The revision guide is a structured, teacher-style explanation of your exam, written like proper notes, not just flashcards or quizzes.
It's designed to help students understand the topic deeply before and after the exam.
Inside, you'll find clear topic overviews, step-by-step explanations, examples, key definitions, and even common mistakes students should avoid. It feels like a teacher sitting beside you, explaining the entire exam in simple language. You can open it directly from your exam pays. Just click the revision guide link, and it loads instantly for that specific paper. So now, one exam gives you two powerful tools: revision guide for understanding and study notes for practice and depth, all automatically generated with CampusOxide.